What's going on, guys? It's DJ coming out with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to erase a unwanted cut off of a timeline. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is, if this cut is new and fresh and it's something that you've done before, it's pretty easy to get rid of it. The only thing you have to do is just hit Command Z and it'll undo previous action that you've done. But let's just say that you made this cut. You made it a while ago. You made it, you closed the project, you came back to edit, and then you saw that cut there and you're like, well, I want to get rid of this cut. You can go to the cut, go in between it, highlight that section, and then hit delete. There you go. The cut has been erased. Okay, if you guys enjoy the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.